Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. There's no doubt that homemade bread is delicious, but not everyone has the time or desire to mix, knead, and babysit a ball of dough while it rises. The entire process can take multiple hours, which isn't convenient or practical for many people. Enter the modern bread machine. By simply adding all of the ingredients and pushing a few buttons, a bread machine does the rest of the work for you, actually making the bread entering the process quicker and easier. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of bread maker machine on the market. See the product link in the description of the video below. Number 1.
Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart compact automatic bread maker.
Number 2.
The Breadman Professional Bread Machine gives you bakery-like results from the comfort of your own home. The stainless steel finish looks great in any kitchen. The panel includes controls for everything from loaf size and crust color to programming the 15-hour delay timer and the 14 different baking functions. The fruit and nut compartment stores your favorite add-ins and then inserts them into the mix at the best time during the baking cycle. The dimensions of the unit are 13.5 inches wide, 8.5 inches deep, and 12 inches tall, so it fits in almost any kitchen setup. The included accessories simplify the baking process. The measuring spoon and cup are essential for adding accurate ingredients. The recipe book has great tips for choosing the right baking cycles, using the right ingredients, and so much more. Before adding ingredients, you should install the collapsible kneading arm. Its smart design stands up straight and spins to combine ingredients efficiently during kneading and collapses naturally during baking. When installing the piece, make sure it's aligned properly and attached securely. If it's not connected fully, it could lead to bad mixes or even scrape the bottom of the pan while it spins. Once the kneading arm is installed, it's time to add the ingredients. Add them to the baking pan in the order in which they're listed on the recipe. When everything is added in, all you need to do is close the lid and choose the right baking function and loaf size. Choose from 14 different baking cycles and from 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2 pound loaf. Make sure to follow the included recipe book to find the best cycle for all types of breads, doughs, and jams. For that bakery fresh bread on demand, get the Breadman Professional Bread Machine in your kitchen.
Number 3. The KBS automatic bread machine has 17 practical programs for French, whole wheat, kneading and fermentation, jam, yogurt, cake, etc. Not only a bread maker. Additional convenience with pizza dough setting and gluten-free program. Exclusive one-to-use ceramic pan designed to make the bread evenly baked and healthier for 100% no chemicals BPA Teflon PTFE free and easy to clean. 710 watts high power motor makes the kneading quickly, strong and durable, so that the dough is soft and elastic, While the overheating protection function extends the bread machine life length, motor noise is less than 40 dB, which will not affect your sleep. 15-hour delay timer allows you to enjoy fresh bread without having to wake up early. The most popular 1-hour automatic keep warm, 15-minute power interruption recovery allow for healthy breads anytime. Bright and large viewing digital touch panel is easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and loaf size. Stainless steel heat resistant and not easy to damage, baked bread more delicious and healthy. Bread maker with advanced baking technology and 710 watts power output design, it makes bread baking more efficient and faster. 360-degree baking for thinner crusts, fluffier
Number
bread,
4.
more evenly healthy color. Make delicious, mouth-watering loaves of bread or prepare dough for pizza and dinner rolls. Cycles include basic, French, gluten-free, whole grain, 1.5 pounds express, 2.0 pounds express, sweet, dough, roast nuts, jam and bake. Choose to make either 1 pound, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds loaves, and select from 3 crust settings for light, medium or dark crust. Comes with removable non-stick bread pan, kneading paddle, paddle removing tool, measuring cup and spoon for fast, easy cleanup after baking. The digital display with countdown timer makes it easy to select the cycle, loaf and crust settings as well as monitor the remaining baking time.
Number 5.
Making fresh artisan breads right at home is now foolproof and automatic. The Elite Gourmet bread maker does the kneading, rising and baking for you. Make up to a 2-pound loaf of bread. With 3 different settings for a 1 pound, 1.5 pound or 2 pound loaf of fresh bread. Includes 19 programmed preset menu for a variety of different types of doughs from basic white bread to even pizza dough. 15-hour delay timer and a 60-minute keep warm function allows you to control your baking to the max. Free up the oven and save on power. Reduce the heat in your kitchen and less washing of different cooking implements. Manage the nutrients that go in your bread by limiting preservatives and trans fat and even eliminating gluten. Includes everything you'll need to bake fresh bread: non-stick bread pan, measuring cup and spoon, kneading blade, metal hook for lifting out kneading blade.